Uh-oh, you've just been hit with a hefty cleaning fee from your car rental company. Well, don't worry, I can fix it. I'm consumer advocate Christopher Elliott, and I've helped countless travelers fight these often unfair charges. Here's how to avoid getting hit. You'll want to inspect your car before you drive it off the lot. Take pictures of any existing problems. Oh, and if your car is dirty, ask for a different one. Also, you're going to need to keep your rental clean. Vacuum, wipe down surfaces, and remove any trash before you return your car. And finally, just in case there is a claim, familiarize yourself with the rental company's cleaning policy. What's considered excessive dirt, for example? You don't want to cross a line. And one more thing, if you're not sure, don't be afraid to ask. When you return the car, check with an agent or supervisor and get them to sign off on the rental if there's any question, and don't forget to get their name. These simple tips can help you avoid any surprise car rental cleaning fees. But if your car rental company insists on charging you anyway, here's how to find me. My advocacy team and I can help, and we won't charge you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And you do like this, don't you?